Hi guys, I'm Larry the Butcher. That's where the music starts.
This is Larry's show. Larry the Butcher. This is Larry's show. Larry the Butcher. Now it's time to watch the show. Let's go.
Today is Friday the 13th, 2018. This probably won't be up for a few days, so my apologies. Friday the 13th is fairly legendary for a lot of reasons. It's when the Pope declared the Knights Templar illegal, and the King of France rounded them all up and killed them. That's why Friday the 13th is a thing. That's why Friday the 13th is bad luck. And the Catholic Church has a beef with Freemasonry because active Freemasons at the time gave escaping Knights Templar safe haven. At least that's a story I've heard. If you know, message down below. Okay, but that is most of that's 100%. In Southern Ontario, Friday the 13th is famous for one reason only. No, it's not the day I changed my underwear. Port Dover. Port Dover is where motorcyclists come in, converge. It is Canada's version of Daytona Bike Week, or Laconia, or Sturgis. We have Dover. It's a little lakefront town that doesn't do a whole lot the rest of the year, but man, on Friday the 13th, the next one is in July. I plan to go. I hope to vlog, so thumbs up. I had asked for today off. I didn't get it off, so I'm not going. I was gonna go. I bought something that would allow me to take my daughter to school, go to Port Dover, come back, pick my daughter up, and have the weekend. And you're thinking, you bought a trailer. No, I didn't, but I bought a trailer hitch, and we're gonna put it together right now. So here's what we got. A box! I wonder if it's a bubble blower. I would read this SpongeBob book to Grace when she was younger. It was about a barnacle boy bubble blower. We have metal. We have instructions. Just remember, if you keep a baseball bat in your car, have a glove too. Lawyers like that. Cradle. I have to be at work at 12:30. It's 9:30. I hope I have enough time. The great thing is that I can take my daughter to school in the van or the car or whatever. And if it's a Friday and she wants to be picked up that night, I can leave the van there at 19 miles a gallon. Tow a motorcycle on this. The actual riding, towing will be another video. Take the motorcycle to work or whatever I have to do, because it's just me. Get 75 miles to the gallon. And then come back, load this back on, and go home. Win. Camping. I can take the motorcycle now. The whole family. The whole family. Is that how the term? So, I'm just going to tighten these bolts. I hope you guys have seen bolts being tightened. A little bit of adjusting to do, I think. And then, ta-da! Of course, I'm Larry the Butcher, and please remember, bow ties are cool. Like this episode if you liked it. Comment down below. If you want to go for a ride and you're in Southern Ontario or Western New York, let me know. Contact me. Larry the Butcher at Gmail. I got a ton of email addresses. I got to streamline that. Yeah, what else? Subscribe below my finger. Share this video on social media if you're a motorcyclist and you like seeing people do put things together in their kitchen. If you like black things, black pieces of machinery. No, that's not racist. Yeah, I won't be using this until next week, so that'll be another video. Thank you all for watching. I love you. And I'll see you later. Bye.